I am currently a patient of autoimmune disorder called EGPA after the third vaccine and after a COVID 3 years ago. What happened is that it actually, till now, I'm having numbness on my both leg and hand. According to Western doctor, what my sickness is sensory nerve or my nerve system have inflammation, and the EGPA is called inflammation of nerve and blood vessel due to autoimmune disorder. So this is the first time I heard your session, and my question is, have you come across patient like me? And is what you are going to teach, does it help? Really can reverse the situation? I do have a muscle loosening on my right hand. I do not know it's due to the glyco injection that they put on me. I suspect, but doctor disagreed, that is due to the medication, the glycomexin that they inject. They say it's my muscle losing,
Yes,
and
yes,
it's a symptom of
got
my
you.
sick.
Got your point. Got your point. Now, I'll give you a simple way. See, one of the testimonials that the person that spoke is also an autoimmune condition, is also into an autoimmune condition. So there are many people. Rheumatoid arthritis is also an autoimmune condition. There are many autoimmune conditions where the person has got into, and the only treatment is whatever you are saying, whatever is injected, it basically a steroid. It's a steroid injection. They are trying to push the immunity factor down. But let me tell you, if you improve the metabolism, the immunity will also balance out. If you improve the metabolism, because we don't have any method to improve the metabolism, the immunity is being crashed, which is not a good thing. Taking steroids and crashing the immunity is not a good thing. Never crash your army. How will you fight? So you improve the metabolism. Kumbhak improves the metabolism, and thereby it reduces the immunity is not required to such a high state. So immunity gets balance on its own the moment you improve the metabolism. That's how Kumbhak actually helps in autoimmune condition. Right?
According to Western doctor, it said once the nerve are damaged, it would not be cannot be repaired or regrown. What is your opinion on this?
Go to Google and listen and read about Western research. Type the term neuroplasticity.
Plasticity.
Plasticity. Yeah, plasticity. Neuroplasticity means nerve fiber gets regenerated. It is proven in the research that nerve fibers regenerate. There are stem cells in your body which can regenerate your nerve fiber. But then you have to give the trigger to those stem cells. Kumbhak is the epigenetic trigger.
Currently, yearly, they done a nerve test on me. My current nerve test last week. What they told me is my motor nerve improved, but my sensory nerve no improvement. So according to the specialist who done the nerve test, he said, if at the point of attack, when the autoimmune was active and attack, and during the attack, the nerve is damaged, then it cannot be recovered. Do you agree to this philosophy?
No, I don't agree to this, because we have seen regeneration and recovery in those kind of cases.
Even though it's damaged?
Even though it is damaged, we have seen recovery.
It can be recovered?
Yes, it can.
It's what I do not know what is Kumba. Is it a form of exercise?
No, it's a breath hold methodology, different formulas of breath hold.
Okay. And during if we attend a course like for my case like this, do you teach what are the food to avoid or the wrong diet or wrong type of food to not to take?
We give a diet perspective. We don't give a diet plan because we want to make your body in such a manner that it can digest and metabolize any kind of food.
Like is
It it can actually, it has the strength to metabolize any food that you give. We want to make your body that strong. So we don't emphasize on diet plan. We give a diet perspective. Yes, what is more better for your body, that is what we give a perspective, but not a diet plan, because we want to make your body in such a manner so strong that it can metabolize any kind of food.
actually 1.5 years ago, I actually admitted for Ayurveda treatment in Malaysia, and I under medication for about 6 months, following the Ayurveda doctor. I do
Yes,
not
yes.
know whether you know him in Malaysia, Dr. CB. But I tried 6 months with full Ayurveda medicine that he prescribed, and he gave me a list of food or veggie that I should avoid. But sad to say, it doesn't help to improve my nerve condition at all.
See, anything from outside doesn't increase your body's strength to recover. Anything from outside, Ayurvedic medicine, food, or whatever else,
Okay.
anything given from outside doesn't increase the body's innate strength to recover. We are increasing the body's innate strength to recover. So there is a difference. Everything from outside is a support, not a treatment.
I didn't quite get you. Do you mean any form of medication? Not to say
Yeah.
Ayurveda per se.
Any
Like
form
I
of,
also
no,
try
any
Chinese
form of
medicine.
Chinese medicine, Ayurvedic medicine, herbal medicine, chemical medicine does most of the damage. No medicine, no food can increase your body's strength.
Body what? Body sense.
Body strength to recover.
Strength. Sorry,
Strength.
forgive because I have to catch your Indian accent.
Yes, yes.
Okay, strength. Yeah. So my curiosity is by now I'm seeking all way and trying hard to make myself survive and living. And and uh,
Your your
and
survival quotient will
the
improve.
only problem is that I'm still have posing this question to you. Is there chance to even recover 50% of my nerve that is my sensory nerve that is not functioning just by exercise?
Your life will become 100% better. That I can say.